my box and woo. I'm only this and I found it. I'll back up. Can you have my water, please?
Yes, I can. Leo was showing you his new easy chair, complete with a cup holder and fire engine. Here goes Sebastian. Sebastian says, I want to go over that fire engine.
No, you can't get this water.
I think he's determined he wants to do it.
The water?
I don't know. We have to see what he's going for here. Where are you headed, Sebastian?
Where you going, Sebastian? Where you going, Sebastian?
Uh-oh.
And I need one to try.
Excuse you, Sebastian. Where are you going? He is headed for something.
I'll be right back. I have backup plans. I need my glasses.
Hi, Sebastian. Where are you going? Leo, watch out for Sebastian.
My salad comes fruit. Come fruit! No!
Is it stuck?
Yeah. Yes, get me away.
All right. I think that was... Oh, hey. I think that was the thing he was interested in. He says, where's it going? I crawled all the way over to it. Where are you going? Oh. That is not a baby toy, but that's okay, yeah. Wow, a toolbox.